Pakistani Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif has said that the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, a flagship project of the China proposed Belt and Road Initiative, has been playing a pivotal role in transforming Pakistan's economic landscape.
We saw landscape of Pakistan transforming into one of the most growing countries, not only in the region, but around the globe. We completed power plants run by coal, hydel power projects, Orange Line, road infrastructure, and this was a story of hard efforts, a story of untiring efforts and commitment between the Chinese leadership and Pakistani leadership.
Sharif was speaking at a ceremony to mark a decade of the signing of CPEC on Wednesday. Launched in 2013, the CPEC is a corridor linking the Gwadar port in southeastern Pakistan with Kashgar in northwest China's Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region, which highlights energy, transport, and industrial cooperation.
And I would like to thank Chinese companies, thousands and thousands of Chinese engineers and workers who came to this country, to Pakistan, leaving their families behind in Beijing and in other parts of China, and who worked here for years. This has been a wonderful relationship, a wonderful journey. Let's today resolve to continue with this journey